How to use credit balance in Temu. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can use credit balance in Temu. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Temu application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to check your credit balance, head over to the bottom of this interface, then tap on the icon as you. And under this page, just below your profile name, you'll be able to find your credit balance. And if you have some credit balance available, you can use that during the checkout of your product. Now to use your credit balance, you have to head over to your cart. And if you have any item selected, head towards the checkout button from the bottom right corner. Now once you proceed to checkout, you have to add all your shipping address. After that, during payment method, you will see an option to apply your Temu credit balance automatically. If it is not applied, manually check the box to use it to apply your credit balance. Now, if your credit balance fully covers your orders, you can place the order without paying extra. Or if the credit balance partially covers the order, now you have to pay the remaining amount using another payment method, example your card or your PayPal. After that, now you can confirm your order by reviewing your order details and tap on place order. Then you will receive a confirmation email or notification once your order is placed successfully. So that's the way to use your credit balance in Temu, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.